Working with Remodel Republic on my kitchen remodel was such a good experience. From day one, they really listened to what I wanted and helped me bring it to life. From the cabinets and marble to the little details I didn't even think about. The whole process was so smooth, and I never once had to worry about things getting done. They just handled everything, and it turned out even better than we could have ever imagined. When we first started thinking about remodeling our kitchen, we honestly didn't know where to start. But the team at Remodel Republic made it so easy from the very beginning. They walked me through design ideas, helped pick out the perfect cabinets, marble, fixtures, everything. What I really appreciated was how great the communication was. I never had to chase anyone down or worry about timelines. Every step of the process felt under control, and I always knew what was happening. The best part was, I could just trust them to get it done, and they did. Our kitchen turned out even more beautiful than we pictured, and I'm so thankful for how smooth everything went. I honestly couldn't have asked for a better experience with my kitchen remodel. The team at Remodel Republic made everything so easy, from helping me design the space to keeping me updated throughout the process. I didn't have to worry about a thing. They took care of it all, and we couldn't be more thrilled with the results.